What's one guilty pleasure you enjoy too much to give up? Coca-Cola. I've tried so many times in my life to give it up. I know it's not good for me, but yeah, I am working on reducing it quite a bit. I gotta think of what other guilty pleasures do I have. Just crap. I eat terribly, but I'm not even that bad. I'm a big fan of chocolate. So I definitely partake in candy a little too often. But Coca-Cola is the big one. That's kind of my poison. I gotta confess. And I'm struggling to think of anything else really. I'm a pretty boring guy, honestly. I'm not a smoker, drinker. Well, I've been known to drink, but I'm not that big on drinking because it just doesn't do much for me. Never been a smoker. Ugh, that's